Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss 10 advanced English words for daily conversation. So let's get started with our first word, that is cachet. What is the meaning of cachet? Meaning of this word is being respected or admired. For example, no other company had quite the cachet of Google. Means no other company had a respect like Google. Next word is piffle. What is the meaning of piffle? Means nonsense. For example, it's absolute piffle to say that violence is okay. So if we want to use advanced word for nonsense, we can use piffle. Third word is cognizant. What is the meaning of cognizant? Meaning understanding something. For example, we should be cognizant of the fact that every complaint is not a justified complaint. Cognizant means to be understood, or you can say to understand something. Fourth word is mollify. What is the meaning of mollify? Meaning of this word to make someone less angry or upset. For example, I tried mollify her by giving her flowers. Fifth word is livid. What is the meaning of livid? Means extremely angry. For example, his dad was livid when he found out he failed in school. Sixth word is vista. What is the meaning of vista? Meaning a pleasing view. For example, the vista of Kashmir really makes me feel in heaven. Seventh word is petrichor. What is the meaning of petrichor? Meaning of this word is earth smell after rain. For example, petrichor emanating from grass was very pleasant. Eighth word is panacea. What is the meaning of panacea? Meaning of this word is a solution for all problems. For example, friendship between us will be panacea for all our problems. Ninth word is frivolous. What is the meaning of frivolous? Meaning of this word is behaving in a silly way and not taking anything seriously. For example, I think she is a frivolous woman. Tenth word is meek. What is the meaning of meek? Meaning of this word is not willing to argue or a quiet person. For example, she seemed so very meek about this topic. So with this, we completed our 10 advanced English words that we can use in our daily conversation, or you can use these words in your IELTS speaking test as well. If you really like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.